Hi, I'm G, welcome to Luxardo at Home. Today we're going to be talking about the Luxardo London Dry Gin. Luxardo have been making gin ever since 1845. This recipe actually comes from 1935. It was previously lost due to World War II, however we found a copy of the recipe and then decided to make it again. Its signature flavour comes from the distillation of 9 main botanicals, which are all distilled by the Luxardo family at Luxardo headquarters in Padua in northern Italy. We use traditional copper pot distillation, which is quite rare these days when it comes down to gin. The main flavour that you find in here is juniper with notes of star anise really shining through. It's also quite citrusy with a little bit of a floral edge. This will work perfectly in all your classic gin cocktails, and at 43% it's really going to shine through. For me, I like to go super Italian with my gin and tonic. I like to get a big glass, fill it full of ice, put a double shot of this in there, top it up with your favourite tonic water, and then I like to get some fresh basil, put that in the top with a little bit of lemon zest. It works really well.